Hey guys, what's going on? All right, so today we're doing a special dish called, as you can see, cauliflower is right here. So we're calling it cauliflower potato salad. I don't see any potatoes here though. It's a potato salad, but instead of potatoes, we're using cauliflower. All right, it's gonna be interesting. You ready? You got cauliflower, you got celery, green onions, olive oil, Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, pickles over here. I got a little bit of parsley and salt and pepper, and I'm making some hard-boiled eggs right now. Those will be in there too. It's gonna be a beautiful salad. I'm kind of excited to try this out. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, put it in a pot of water, steam this, use a steamer basket, use a pressure cooker, use whatever you got to steam the cauliflower, make it fork tender, then cool it completely and meet me back here. You have to be careful because now it's fork tender. Beautiful. All right, here we go. Here's a salt, pepper, and parsley. Just so you know, it looks like that to start with, okay? Here's our diced pickles. Here's our diced green onions. Here's our cut up celery. This will let me scoop under this. I love this tool. I use it all the time. So I don't break up the... Alright, give me a few minutes to mix this up, guys. Do it real gently. You're just going to fold all the ingredients together. You know what? Before we do that, got to do our mustard. This is just not regular mustard. This is Dijon mustard. So we're going to apply that. Squeeze. There we go. Do the same thing with the mayo. Sorry. I'm forgetting all these ingredients. Here we go. Just a little drizzle on top. Get everything to adhere. Just a little bit. And now we can start mixing. Okay guys, this didn't sound good in the beginning, but I wanted to try it. This smells amazing. I'm kind of surprised today. So let's give it a try. Let's go here. And scoop a little bit. The hard-boiled eggs, the celery, the pickles that are diced up. It really came out amazing. All right, yeah, I'm going for it. I can't help myself. It's so good. I can't wait till Tammy gets home so I can show her this. Of course, that means I got to show her this. All right, I got to go. Get this in the fridge, to the back of the fridge, so she don't find this. Maybe I'll give her a sneak taste later, all right? I love you guys. This is a home run. A home run recipe. Very impressed. This is one of those surprise videos, all right? I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.